All right, people. My name is Ugochukwu. Today is June 16th, 2021. Man, when you look at that picture, what do you see? There's something abnormal in that picture. You see an adult. I mean, you look at the guy. He's a grown-up man, but notice he's sleeping with something in his mouth. He's sleeping with what is called pacifier. Pacifiers are for little kids, like toddlers, 1 year old, 6 months old. When they cry, you put that stuff in their mouth to pacify them, to keep them quiet, to stop them from crying. You see that grown-up man, he's deep asleep, but he got pacifier in his mouth like a little kid. Now I bring you this. That's the reason why I searched for picture like this to start this. This is my podcast today. This my first podcast today. So I bring you two videos. This podcast is about Igbo race, all of us. So let me bring you the first video, and then after that I will explain what I mean.
Nigeria is all of us. The bigger Nigeria is the best thing ever that can happen to Nigeria. We don't need to balkanize this country. You don't know what you've got having this nation called Nigeria. Our diversity should be our strength and not our albatross. The diversity we have is the best thing that ever happened to this nation. Let us make it work. Let us not engage in playing games. Let us not engage in stigmatization of ethnicities. Let us work as Nigerians. The Americans.
All right. Now by now you probably don't understand why I use this image of an adult sleeping with pacifier. I would explain it to you. Did you see what that guy said? This is Alan Onyema, the CEO of Airpeace. The man is a very wealthy guy. He has a very successful airline going on all over the place, so he's very successful. But you hear what he said? He said, let us not balkanize Nigeria. Let us make it work. If you listen to the whole thing, somewhere he will mention Igbo Americans, Yoruba Americans. In other words, all of us live in America, different ethnicity. America consists of different people from different parts of the world. He would actually say that later on in the video. So I want to use that video to explain something to you. I don't disagree with the man. You hear me? I don't disagree with him. So please don't get me wrong. The man he's a very successful man and he makes money. I don't envy him. And what he's saying in principle is true. America consists of people from different countries. Right? You live in America, I live in America. You go to work, you feed your family, pay for your mortgage. We do all that. Our brother is not the mayor of where we live. Our relative is not the police chief where we live. Our relative is not the President Biden. He's not related to us. But still, we're doing good. So that's what this man does not understand. I mean, he understands all this stuff, but what he forgets as an Igbo man is that America is good because people got together, what is called the collective action. They got together and build this country, and that's why the country works. You get into your car, drive on the street, there is a road to drive. That comes from collective action. Now, he wants Nigeria to be united. He doesn't want to balkanize Nigeria, but he can't just be saying that. What has he done to bring that about? Do you understand what I'm saying? Either Igbo people are part of Nigeria or we're not part of Nigeria. See the way they treated our people. You see Fulani running around everywhere, killing people. President Buhari, that terrorist Buhari, is not declaring war on them. He's not over there slaughtering them in the north everywhere. a little provocation in the southeast. Mohammed, that terrorist Buhari will come down, start slaughtering innocent people. So this guy, this Alin Onyema, I understand he did stuff. I don't envy him. He's a successful businessman. But what are we doing collectively as Igbo race? What are Igbo men doing collectively? Yes, individually, he's making money, he's successful. But where is organization to put people together? That way we'll move as a unit. That's the way the world works today. You have to engage in collective action. Where is it? Where is Igbo collective action? Is it Ohaneze? Ohaneze is not working for our people. Is it a World Igbo Congress? They're not working for it. Remember, they're not working for our people. They're joining Nnamdi Kanu. So Nnamdi Kanu is another thing that came to my mind when I was watching that video. What has this man done to stop Nnamdi Kanu? Or to talk to him? Okay, if he talks to him, Nnamdi Kanu may not listen to him. But there has to be something to stop Nnamdi Kanu. That's where collective action comes. If Igbo people agree that this man is Nnamdi Kanu is causing problem, he's gonna lead to a lot of death in Igbo land, and we'll have a collective organization who could have done something to stop him. But there is nobody that can stop Nnamdi Kanu. The man is running all over the place, running loose, leading to the death of innocent people. See, that's my concern. So this Alin Onyema, yes, he made money. You see, his money. I don't begrudge him. I'm not envious of him. But he can be coming in here telling us Nigeria, United Nigeria is better for us. United Nigeria is good. Don't balkanize Nigeria. But Nigeria is killing a lot of our innocent people. You know where? What is he doing about that? Does he have any plan to stop the killing? Because he has a couple of airplanes making money. He's making money for himself. He's not making money for me. He's not making money for those people being butchered by Buhari. So if he wants to have Nigeria that is united, doing well like America, we have to get together and do something collectively. All this individual stuff, yes, individually we're making money, but we are being picked off in Nigeria. Buhari picking off Igbo people and killing them. I don't know why this is hard for these people to understand. You have to get together and move as a unit. That's how you become a very force to reckon with, strong force to reckon with. But all this individual thing, you making money there, somebody making money there, I'm feeding my family, you feeding your family, but we don't have any collective effort to stop stuff, to stop people from harassing us in Nigeria. For Nigeria to work, for Nigeria to work for us, we'll have to engage in collective action, whereby we'll move as a force. One of us get killed, we'll deal with the person killing one of us. That's the way we can have unity in Nigeria. Look at America. Who's chasing you in America? You living here, nobody's messing with you. Unless some criminals, like you're driving, some criminals mess with you. Other than that, nobody's targeting you as an Igbo person in America. And nobody is targeting a Yoruba person in America. So he can sit there and run his mouth talking about Igbo America, Yoruba America. But he gotta go go deeper than that. There's something called collective action where people move as a unit. You move as a unstoppable force. That way, anybody that wants to mess with us, anybody that messes with one of us, messes with all of us. And once the whole world is aware that we're like that, nobody will mess with us. But all this nonsense, you running around making money. I'm not begrudging you. You make your money. But don't tell me Nigeria, United Nigeria. Because there's nothing there for me, for United Nigeria. I know a lot of people in America, there's nothing there in Nigeria for them. They run away from Nigeria because Nigeria is a very deadly place. The people have no job there. You can't find a job and feed your family. There's no peace. There's no, life of human being is worthless in Nigeria. You can be going back from whatever you do. Somebody will just kidnap you and kill you. Rape your wife in front of you. Rape your daughter in front of you. Is that the Nigeria he's talking about? Let's have a unity. Man, just shut up your mouth. Go make your money. Yes, you're good at making money. Just go make your money, man. And leave us alone.
These women adorned in black clothing under the auspices of credible Igbo Women Initiative gathered inside this hall are deeply worried over the spate of killings and wanton destruction of property in the southeast zone by unknown gunmen.
Stop the killing! Every time you look on TV, you turn on your phone, it's just dead bodies all over the place. Men, women, children. Kidnapping is now big business in Nigeria. How did we get there? How do we get out of it? We are no longer prepared to keep quiet. And we want to say to you, we come in peace. We want peace.
Every stakeholder, every musicians, all the artists in Nigeria should stand up now and say no to the killings. We are saying no to the killings.
All right, that was the second video I wanted to show you. I'll see if I can put the link to the videos, 2 videos. You can go watch it from the source. I want to use those videos to educate people, that's all. So I will put a copyright for what I call fair use at the beginning of this this podcast. You see what the women are saying? Stop the killing, man. Artists should stand up. All the musicians, all of them should stand up now. Stop the killing. The killing is too much. Bodies everywhere. But it's too late. It's too late. Just like Alin Onyoma. What have you guys been doing? While Nnamdi Kanu was running around causing all this problem, using our youth to make money, leading all of them to their death, what did you guys do? Right? You guys did nothing, man. Now he's talking about stop the killing. Who's gonna stop the killing? Buhari? Are you moving as a unit? Again, when people move, there's a concept they have in our culture called Igwebike. Igwebike basically means collective action. When people move as a unit, nobody can stop them. Nobody can stop them. You know, are you guys using the concept? Did you forget the concept of Igwebike? Everybody running around all over the place. You running over there, making money, running over there, chasing degree. But if people forget that we are from the same place, so we need to work together. Find a couple of strong organizations. World Igbo Congress is useless. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo is useless. Those 2 organizations, they are useful. They were never useful for us. So a bunch of old people don't know what the hell they're doing. So we need to find a couple of organizations that will get our people together. Allow our people to move together as a... Do you know that the Hispanics in America have such an organization? It's called La Raza. I think they changed their name now. But type La Raza and then you will see their new name. You move collectively as a unit and then people will respect you. And people will not come and kill you. If they kill one of you, anybody that kills one of you is in trouble. But we'll sit around chasing our business, doing whatever we're gonna do individually. We don't care about working together. And then when something like this happens, we'll start running like chicken with the head cut off. That's what I see in those 2 videos, man. The one telling you we can live in peace in Nigeria. United Nigeria is better. But who doesn't want United Nigeria? But it's Nigeria united. Look at what Fulanis are doing everywhere. Killing innocent people. Look at what the terrorism Buhari is doing in Owerri. Killing innocent people there. How do we stop him? If we were moving as a unit, we had a couple of strong organizations. That man will be scared to go there and do that stuff he's doing today. But he's not scared. He just goes in there. But if say we're strong, we had a couple of organizations, he goes in there, something happens to his own children, to his own wife, he will stop. I don't believe he'll not turn the other cheek. If we had strong organization, the kind of organization I'm talking about is we want peace, but we organize ourselves, we have a military wing, doing it secretly and quietly, we're not making any trouble. But somebody mess with us, mess with him. I don't care who they are. They kill one of us, we'll go ahead and kill 10 of them. Sitting down there sleeping with pacifier in your mouth. You running out now talking about, oh, they're killing us, bodies everywhere. Nigeria, we can live in peace. Where is the peace in Nigeria? Where is the unity? People just talking like a little kids with pacifiers in their mouth. You prepare, you organize yourself. You guys refuse to do that. Well, it will continue. Things will continue. Like I said, we live in America. Nobody's chasing us. Because America, people that organize America have collectively engaged in collective action, make the place work. Right? Even though we're not in charge of the government, but if we organize ourselves, prepare thoroughly, stay as one unit, nobody will mess with us. But if we refuse to do that, good luck with you thinking about one Nigeria. One Nigeria where? Is Nigeria one? Fulanis, they're out there trying to take over our land. Talking about unity because you have a couple of airplanes run all over the place. Man, fuck you.